While eastern Ladakh simmers, China has ramped up construction of dams along the Brahmaputra river, sparking concerns about China's attempt to disrupt India's water supply. What's alarming here is that the proposed dam is close to the Indian border in Arunachal Pradesh. What does this new Chinese ploy really look like? Here's our ground report.
Asia's water tower. The roof of the world. That is what Tibet has long been known as. A river almost 3,000 kilometers long, originating beneath Mount Kailash. The Yarlung Zangbo plunges from the Himalayan roof into India and becomes the Brahmaputra. A lifeline for tens of millions living downstream. But satellite shows China has built a cascade of dams on the Brahmaputra in the Tibet region. Barriers that could choke off this lifeline or flood India down below. A triplet of dams on the Brahmaputra in Tibet bordering Arunachal Pradesh. Zangmo, Gyatsa and Dagu, within a distance of 24 kilometers. Zangmo is already commissioned, Gyatsa complete, Dagu being rapidly built. And there are many more coming. China has announced plans to build at least 8 dams more on the Brahmaputra in Tibet within the next 10 years.
China is likely to use this threat as a political weapon in times of war. In peace, China will try to signal annoyance with India, irritate India, try to corner India.
Officially, China claims to be building dams in Tibet to tap hydropower. But its upper riparian control allows Beijing an opportunity to regulate flow of Asia's major river systems, flowing into India, Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, Nepal, Myanmar and several others.
The satellite image analysis, for example, of the Taku Dam, which is under construction, shows 2 inlets and 2 outlets with 900 meters in between, which is totally dry. The river is going under the mountains. This tunneling is actually not required because this is a run of the river dam. And just like the Gyatsa dam, the water could be diverted from the side of the dam.
This raises concerns about the possibility that the Brahmaputra waters could be diverted to the dry deserts through underground tunnels using the Dagu Dam. China is expected to share data about the water flow with India during the monsoon. In the past, Beijing has downplayed New Delhi's concerns over the dam building spree across the border.
Sources in the Indian government say that dam construction by China is being closely monitored, and Beijing and New Delhi often discuss this matter to make sure there is no misunderstanding. However, tensions over water resources cannot be ruled out, especially at a time when India and China are involved in a military standoff. With camera person Sanjeev Kumar, Abhishek Bhalla in New Delhi for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.